back with Cynthia Riggs. Cynthia is the author of 11 books in the Martha's Vineyard Mystery Series featuring 92-year-old poet Victoria Trumbull. A short time after Cynthia told this story, she boarded a plane to California. 2 hours after she and Howie were reunited, 62 years after they last saw each other, Howie proposed. San Diego to Martha's Vineyard, where Howie and Cynthia plan to marry and begin their new life together. You can see photos and hear Cynthia talk about her trip with the Moth's producing director, Sarah Austin Jeunesse, at themoth.org. By the way, Cynthia's story came to us through our pitch line, where you can leave a 2-minute message telling us about your story, and we pick some to develop for our main stage, like Cynthia's. The number is 877-799-MOTH. That's 877-799-6684. Or you can just visit themoth.org and record your pitch right on the web. That's it for this episode of the Moth Radio Hour. We hope you'll join us next time, and that's the story from the Moth. Your host this hour was writer and performer Jenny Allen. The stories were directed by Catherine Burns, Jennifer Hickson, and Sarah Austin Jeunesse. The rest of the Moth directorial staff includes Joan D. Firestone and Meg Bowles. Production support from Laura Haddon and Brandon Ector. Moth stories are true is remembered and affirmed by the storytellers. Moth events are recorded by Argo Studios in New York City, supervised by Paul Ruest. Our theme music is by The Drift. Other music in this hour by Tin Hat. The Moth is produced for radio by me, Jay Allison, at Atlantic Public Media in Woods Hole, Massachusetts, with help from Vicki Merrick. Atlantic Public Media was a sponsor of this live show, along with the Cape and Islands public radio station WCAI. Special thanks to